Welcome into a world of endless beige and sun-warmed mystery, where the very ground beneath your feet holds secrets of the wild. The sandy discovery begins not with a map, but with the sweep of a hand and the sift of fine grains through your fingers. This is a desert landscape of your own making, a canvas where the most thrilling tales of the savanna and the most delicate stories of the sky are waiting to be unearthed. Lionesses are the real hunters. In a pride, the females do most of the hunting, while the males protect the group. Lionesses take care of their cubs with great love, keeping them safe and teaching them to hunt. Lionesses use teamwork and strategy. Some chase prey, while others wait to ambush. Lionesses are known for their courage, speed, and teamwork in the wild. Parrots belong to the Sidicidae family. Parrots are known for their bright feathers, strong curved beaks, and zygodactyl feet, 2 toes forward, 2 backward. Parrots are omnivores, eating fruits, seeds, nuts, buds, and sometimes insects. Parrots are among the smartest birds on Earth. Parrots use their voices, body language, and head movements to communicate with humans and each other. Leopards are found across Africa and parts of Asia, from rainforests and mountains to savannas and deserts. Leopards' pattern of rosettes, spots shaped like roses, is unique, just like a human fingerprint. Leopards live alone, marking territories with scent and scratch marks. They meet only for mating or when a mother is raising cubs. Spoonbills are wading birds, meaning they live and feed in shallow wetlands, marshes, and lakes. Spoonbills live on every continent except Antarctica. Spoonbills feed by swinging their bills side to side through shallow water. Spoonbills are large, elegant birds, standing up to 1 meter, 3 feet tall. Spoonbills are colonial nesters. Polar bear is the largest bear species and the largest land carnivore on Earth. A large male can weigh as much as 10 grown men. Polar bear can consume over 100 pounds, 45 kilograms of blubber in one sitting. Polar bears are listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List. Their greatest threat is climate change, which is causing the sea ice they depend on for hunting, breeding, Ibises belong to the Thresciornithidae family, which also includes spoonbills. Ibises are omnivorous, feeding on insects, crustaceans, small fish, frogs, and sometimes plants. Ibises are social birds, often living and nesting in large colonies. Ibises are migratory birds, traveling long distances between breeding and feeding grounds. Peacocks are native to India and Sri Lanka, but now live in many countries around the world. Male peacocks are famous for their brilliant blue and green plumage and long, shimmering tail feathers, called a train. Peacocks are polygamous, meaning one male mates with several females. Peacocks often forage on the ground. Bulls belong to the same species as cows, Bos taurus. Bulls are known for their muscular build, strength, and aggression. Bulls can weigh anywhere from 1,000 to 2,400 pounds, 450 to 1,100 kilograms, depending on the breed. Bulls have thick neck, Secretary bird is a large, long-legged bird of prey found mainly in sub-Saharan Africa. Secretary birds prefer open grasslands and savannas, where they can easily spot prey on the ground. Secretary birds are carnivores, mainly eating snakes, lizards, rodents, insects, and small mammals. Secretary birds can grow up to 1.3 meters, Tigers are the largest wild cats in the world. Tigers are solitary animals, meaning they like to live and hunt alone. A tiger's roar can be heard from up to 3 kilometers, 2 miles away. Tigers have orange coats with black stripes, but some are white due to a rare gene. A tiger's body can grow up to 10 feet, 3 meters long, including its tail. Owls live almost everywhere, in forests, deserts, mountains, and even cities around the world. Owls are carnivores, feeding mainly on mice, rats, insects, frogs, and small birds. Owls have large, forward-facing eyes that give them excellent depth perception. Owls have super sensitive hearing, allowing them to locate prey hidden under leaves, Snakes are reptiles and belong to the serpent suborder. Snakes live on every continent except Antarctica. Snakes have no legs, but they can move in many amazing ways. By slithering, sidewinding, or climbing. Snakes use their muscles and belly scales to move across surfaces. Partially buried or coiled with majestic patience beside a stone, its iconic hood is a symbol of this desert's untamed spirit. It is a creature of quiet power and ancient grace.